Tonight, Jay-Z's attorney Alex Spiro is pushing to get a judge to dismiss the rape lawsuit against his client, citing an NBC News exclusive that found inconsistencies with the accuser's account.
We expect Mr. Carter to be fully cleared of all of this in the coming days. Almost nothing that she says is checked out because this never happened.
This in the wake of our interview with a 38-year-old mother from Alabama who accuses Jay-Z, whose real name is Sean Carter, and Sean Diddy Combs of raping her when she was 13 years old. She asked us not to reveal her identity.
What made you want to come forward?
Because I think that I've been quiet long enough.
She says that she might have some facts wrong, but that she says the incident happened. What do you say to that?
You know, anybody, when they make up a claim, they can just keep repeating it and getting it right. But you never get the details right. And what happened during her interview with you is that the story began to unravel.
Jay-Z's attorney has given up, as evidence continues to pile up against Sean Carter and his associates. Carter has been urging his lawyer to fight a losing battle that he simply cannot win. The judge in the case of a woman who alleges she was assaulted by Jay-Z and Diddy when she was 13 has criticized Jay-Z's lawyer for his improper conduct. Judge Annalisa Torres issued a written order condemning Alex Spiro, Jay-Z's attorney, for his aggressive motions and inflammatory language aimed at the plaintiff's lawyer, Tony Busby, and his client. Spiro, who has been representing Jay-Z for about 3 weeks, had previously requested that the Alabama woman, currently known as Jane Doe to protect her identity, reveal her name. Judge Torres has ruled that she can remain anonymous for now, but may be required to disclose her identity later in the case. What's interesting, however, is that someone had claimed Jay-Z dated underage women in the 1990s almost a year ago, but the claim went largely unnoticed. Diddy, on the other hand, is currently being held in a Brooklyn jail while awaiting trial on federal sex trafficking and racketeering charges, to which he has pleaded not guilty. The latest news from the court makes it appear that he is in serious trouble. He is also facing multiple sexual assault lawsuits, many of which have been filed by Busby, who represents over 150 individuals, both men and women, alleging sexual abuse and exploitation by Diddy. The lawsuits claim that many victims were assaulted at parties in New York, California, and Florida after being given drug drinks. The details of some of these cases are truly horrifying. Diddy's legal team has dismissed these lawsuits as shameless publicity stunts designed to extort money from celebrities who are afraid of false accusations being spread about them, as Diddy's lawyers argue has happened to him. Meanwhile, Jay-Z has also responded to the lawsuit, accusing Busby of attempting to blackmail him into settling the allegations. Busby, for his part, has stated that his firm does not comment on court decisions. In her lawsuit, the woman claims that Jay-Z and Diddy assaulted her after the MTV Video Music Awards in 2000, when she was just 13 years old. Both men strongly deny these allegations. Spiro has also requested the judge dismiss Jay-Z from the lawsuit, referencing an interview the plaintiff gave to NBC News, in which he asserts there were clear inconsistencies and outright impossibilities in her story. While the plaintiff has acknowledged making some mistakes, she maintains her overall allegations. Things have been worsening for Diddy, and it's not only the increasing accusations against him. His life in prison has been described as nearly very bad, raising serious concerns about his health and safety. Furthermore, rumors are circulating that Jay-Z's investigation may be connected to all this turmoil, fueling speculation about a potential major fallout between the two celebrities. We've been hearing these rumors for a long time, and then there's the fact that Jay-Z's entire network could be exposed if he goes down. You might recall that Diddy was once placed on suicide watch. Knowing what his life behind bars is like, it's easy to understand why he is being held at the Metropolitan Detention Center, MDC, which many describe as one of the worst places to be imprisoned. Imagine walking past the building and hearing inmates' cries, banging on windows, pleading for help. It's that bad. During colder months, prisoners complain about the lack of heat, making the conditions even worse. Former inmates have described their experiences there as hellish. Michael Cohen, Donald Trump's former lawyer, said as much after his time there. Another inmate shared similar stories about the harsh conditions. People were shocked by how much weight Diddy has lost during his recent court appearance. He looked visibly older and appeared frail, which is fueling rumors that he's terrified someone in the prison might try to poison him. Given the number of accusations, including those involving celebrity names, being exposed, it's easy to understand his paranoia. Recently, Jay-Z, Beyoncé, and their daughter Blue Ivy were seen together at the red carpet premiere of The Lion King. The family appearance came just hours after Jay-Z expressed his distress about discussing the recent allegations against him with their children. There's some drama surrounding Blue Ivy's real parents. Jay-Z's accuser, known only as Jane Doe, claims the alleged incident took place after an awards event with Diddy present at the time. Now 37 years old, the claimant is seeking a jury trial and requesting compensatory damages for all physical injuries, emotional distress, psychological harm, anxiety, humiliation, physical and emotional pain and suffering, family and social disruption, and other harm. Do you think Diddy and Jay-Z can escape this? Let us know in the comments.